So this was the last day, September 13th, 2019, of the tropical hurricane Humberto, and we got probably right around 30-35 knot winds. I was using a 7-meter Cabrina drifter and 5/8 Firo surfboard, and as you can see, it was a lot of fun, a lot of big waves, lots of turns, and this will give you a good idea what it's like to kite surf in big surf and high winds. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on kite surfing, kiteboarding, and other interesting water sports. Peace out.